Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to invite your friends to play Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links with you. First, open the Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links game on your device. Once you are on the main screen, look at the top right corner. You will see a small icon that looks like a person or a human figure. Tap on that icon. This is the Friends section of the game where you can manage and add friends. After tapping on the icon, a new menu will appear. From here, tap on the option that says Friends. This will take you to the Friends page where you can see your current friends list, search for new friends, and check friend requests. If you want to add a new friend, go to the search area inside this page. You will see a box where you can type in a player's duel ID. Every player in Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links has a unique duel ID. To add someone, simply ask your friend for their duel ID number and type it in the search box. After entering their ID, tap on the search button, and their profile will appear. Once you find them, tap on Add Friend to send a request. You can also share your own dual ID number with your friend so they can add you instead. That's how you can add and invite friends in Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. Thanks for watching.